I'm come
I will
from.
ask. I will
Yeah.
ask. Just wait. Ma'am, your name and where you from?
Yeah, I'm Zini and I'm from Vietnam.
You are from Vietnam. You are on the land of Kashmir. You are visiting out the places in Pahalgam. How excited you are at the land of Pahalgam?
Yes, and this is the first time I came to Kashmir, Himalaya, and I had a wonderful, amazing experience here. I see a lot of beautiful nature and how friendly people treat us very well. So I feel a great time here. Yes.
I think your group has also bought some shawls and some local stuff.
Yes,
from here.
we also buy a lot of stuff like this and even enjoy a lot of the street foods here, and I feel so good. Yes.
A terrorist attack took place on 22nd of April here in Pahalgam.
Yes.
So, do you know about that terrorist attack, and are you feeling safe here in Kashmir and
Yeah,
Pahalgam?
I also heard that from internet and some friends, and some people can be very scared about that information. But I think because I also want to come here and to discover Kashmir by myself. So that's why I think that information not really make me feel so much scared, because when I come here, a lot of people already welcome to us and they protect us very well, they treat us very well. So that's why I feel Kashmir is very safe, beautiful, exactly like what they say, like a heaven on the earth. Yes.
Thank you, thank you. We
Thank
appreciate
you.
it.
Thank you. Yes.
Where are you from, ma'am?
Yes, my name is Samita and I come from Vietnam.
You all group from Vietnam? Or
Yes,
you are
our
all
whole
together?
group coming from Vietnam. Yes.
From Vietnam to Kashmir, how it feels like in Kashmir?
Kashmir is feel like a paradise on earth. It's very different from Vietnam with the white mountains, and the climate is very cool here. Yes.
So, how many people are in your group from Vietnam to Kashmir?
15.
I think you have purchased a lot of stuff you are showing on the camera.
Yes, we got some gifts and some souvenirs for our friends and family in Vietnam, because Kashmir is very famous for the Kashmir. Yes.
So you are taking out the shawls and the winter stuff to Vietnam from Kashmir?
Yes.
The local handicraft from
Exactly. We appreciate and we want to support the artisan here, because after the terrorists, less tourists come here.
You might have heard about the terrorist attack which took place on 22nd of April at the Pahalgam Valley, by Sirin Valley. So, do you feel safe here in Pahalgam? You are here in Pahalgam?
Actually, we knew about the terrorist attack, but we still decided to come here, and we feel very safe when we come here. There are many army studying days and nights to protect us, so we feel very safe and calm here.
What will you say about the people of Kashmir and the land of Kashmir?
The Kashmir is very welcoming, very peaceful, and very tranquil.
Thank you. We appreciate it.
Thank you.
Yes, it's true. Paradise on earth.
Thank you. Ma'am, I just need